Hi there, this is Chris Kellett from musegrid.com, and let's take a look at one of our new widgets, which is this nice chart widget. And let's take a look at how we can use it. So I'm going to reload this page so you can see the animation in action. You can see there that the charts come in nicely animated, and we're showing you on the page some of the styles. But let's see it actually in action in Muse. So I'm going to jump over to Muse here, and first of all we need to install it. So the Smart Charts package, the pie chart package, comes with the muselib file and an installation document, but the reality of installation is you double click. So double click the muselib file here, and you will see it open. It now sits within our Muse 7 library panel. So if we dial this open here, we can see our chart here, and we just drag it onto the page. Now once it's dragged onto the page, we have these options to change its size. So we can, let's set this to a medium. The chart percentage that we want to use, so this is the number that we want it to animate to. So we're going to let's put that to 77, let's say. Then we have our end cap option. So do we want it to be square, curved? We'll take a look at just the standard button version there, so it'll be nice and square. And let's set our line width to 40. Now next we have colors. So if we just take a preview on this, let's preview this in the browser. So there we have our 77 chart there. But notice it doesn't render in on Muse. That doesn't mean it's not working, it just is because the render engine in Muse won't render that live. It won't render it in preview either, so you need to preview in the browser. Now let's choose for instance round, and let's take another look at that. So let's preview that page in the browser. Here we go. Let's just refresh that, and we can see our end cap is now round. Now let's set that back to, but we also have square, which just squares it off. It's similar, it's only slightly different from the but that we'll leave it as that. Now the colors that we have here. Now the easy way to get colors is let's choose, let's just put a box on, and you'll see why I'm doing this now. I'm going to pull up the swatches panel here and put that in place there. Now if I was just on the page like this and I chose a color, it's going to make the color of the page change, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to use a block item here, and I'm going to choose a color so I can see my purple color there, and I can see its reference here. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to click on my chart here, and I'm going to change that line color to purple. So now if I preview in the browser, let's just animate that again, so we can see that we've got that nice purple color. Now we want the text in the middle to be a different size, and that's easier. Just select the box, choose the font I want. I'm going to go for a Lato Light here. I'm going to choose a 60, and then I'm going to choose this pink color. So that's that. Now let's bring this up. Let's hit. Let's choose File, Preview Page in Browser, and there we have our nice new chart. Now we're going to create multiple versions, so we're just going to drag that there. I'm going to put another chart here and another chart here, and I'm going to change this to 23, and I will change this to 56. So we have our 3 charts there, and now let's hit File, Preview Page in Browser, and there we have our nice charts on the page. So it's really easy to use. Hope you enjoy playing with that widget, and thanks for watching.